All right, here's an interesting question. I have to solve for x. I've done these questions a lot, and I can sort of see now that the answer is 0, because there's no other number that you can put up into here and here, where you're going to have the bases 10 and 9 give you the same number. But let me show you how you can do it. So I have 10 to the minus x is equal to 9 to the 6x. So I need to get at those exponents. And the only real way that we know how to do so far is to take and use the property of logarithmic equality. So that means I'm going to log this side. And let's use base 10, just because there's a 10 there. And we'll use log base 10 on this side. Okay, so if I log both sides, that enables me to take that exponent and pop it out front. So I'll have negative x times the log base 10 of 10, and then 6x times the log base 10 of 9. Okay, log base 10 of 10 is just 1, so on this side I'd have negative x times 1, or just negative x. On this side, I have 6x times, let's figure out what the log base 10 of 9 is. K decimals. Okay, so log, where's my log button? Log of 9. 0.954, call it. 0.954. 954. Okay, good. Is equal to, now I can figure this out and times it by that, right? So let me do that. So I have to take what answer I have there now, close my bracket, and times it by 6. So we get 5.73, we'll call it. 5.73. So this would be 5.73x. Now to solve this, I need to get x's together. So I'll add x to this side, add 1x to this side. On the left side, this would be 0 is equal to 6.73x. And then to solve for x, I'll divide both sides by 6.73. So 0 divided by 6.73 is 0. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one. It's too bad it doesn't come out to a different kind of number, but that's how you do that one.